How to catch a bull trout. Feel the exhilaration when a bull trout bites your bait. Let's improve your fishing skills. Firstly, bull trout prefer cold, fresh rivers and lakes. Your best locations would be the Pacific Northwest or the Rocky Mountains. Now to equipment. A medium-heavy rod and an 8 to 10 pound test work bull trout are drawn to small fish, hence minnows or a spinner imitating small fish are ideal as bait. Remember, bull are most active during the day, so plan your fishing accordingly. Respect for your catch. They're mostly a catch and release species, so be gentle and return them to the water promptly. And that's it. You are now fully equipped for your next fishing adventure.